morning, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. Hey, someone, Jason, okay? All right, today is Saturday. Today is the 14th of June 2025. So I just want to do a review of the live free YouTube section I had with all of you on Thursday. So and then what you guys should be expecting from the market next week. Yeah, I think I should just do the top down at once. So because when I was watching the video feedback on my YouTube channel, I discovered the sound, just like I told you guys before I started the video. I went to Nigeria on a vacation. So I was in Nigeria when I was doing the video. And presently I'm still here. I'm still in Nigeria. So which I'll be leaving pretty very soon. So the network was so bad, and then I can see the sound was somehow as well. So even when I called the buy trade, it was only few people that actually heard about it and took the opportunity. And eventually, if you watch my YouTube channel, I just decided, because I was getting some messages, like some people were doubting maybe what we are doing is actually real or not. And then the result, that how can somebody be booking 300 pips, 500 pips, 100 pips, 200 pips in a day? That is not possible. That was why I decided to do it live, so that all of you can see it with your eyes and trade together with me live on that Thursday. That was why I did it. Actually, that I do that every Tuesday with all my mentees. So that is what my mentees enjoy every Tuesday. And from Monday to Thursday, all my mentees, they do it together live. I'm always with them as well. So sometimes I talk if I'm chance, sometimes I don't. So but every Tuesday, I do that live with them, except I'm extremely busy or I'm on transit. That's the only time I will not share with them live. So if you want to be part of us, you can check the information on the flyer you're seeing somewhere around here, or you can click on the link below on my Telegram. Join my free Telegram. It's free to join. Just join the free Telegram, and then you see the information there. Please, I don't do investor, I don't do account management. I don't do investors, I don't do account management, but I have mentees that does it. So if you reach out to me, I'll link you to the direct source of whom I can actually vouch for. But for me personally, I don't trade for people. You understand? I trade for myself. I don't need to trade for you. I don't need to trade for people. Instead of me trading for you, I can train you on how I'm doing it, and you can do it yourself. You understand? You are the best manager that can manage your money by yourself, not any other person managing for you. That's just the advice I can give you guys. So what else? Yeah, and I'm gonna show you guys our result as well. So without wasting, then I'll be showing you guys what you should be expecting from the market next week. I want to believe that all of you, you're following the news about, are you guys following the news about what is going on between Israel and Iran presently? So you can see what happened in the market yesterday. So the market is going to give us some great food. Let me just show you guys what you should be expecting, and let me give you a review of what we did on the live I did with you guys. So because of this, because of the sound and everything that happened, I've made up my mind, and I've taken it upon myself that on Tuesday, this coming week, on Tuesday, I'm gonna be doing another free section with all of you on YouTube. I'm gonna be doing it free again, so that I can show you guys again how we do it. Note, every day is not a trading day. We can do live on Tuesday, and maybe there will be no opportunity for us to trade. But most of the time, like in a week, 95% of time in a week, we see opportunity to trade, either during the New York or retesting hour. We always see opportunity. You understand? So guys, without wasting much of your time, guys, I'm going to be doing free live with all of you again on Tuesday on YouTube, live on YouTube. I've actually rectified every error that I saw this week, which you're gonna be seeing it yourself, this week. All right, so yeah, I observed that a lot of you watch my video, some of you click on like, some don't click on like, but you guys don't comment. You guys are not encouraging me to do more, and I know that many of you are making money from that video. I know that many of you are making money from it. You've all watched the testimony of one of my mentees that moved $100 to $31. I have so many of them like that, but some are not really ready to face the camera, based on one or two that they told me, which I actually understand as well. So even the person I interviewed didn't want to face the camera. That was why I told him off his camera, because of the kind of person he is, All right, guys. So we that God gave the opportunity to face the crowd, to face you guys, here's some more Jason YK. Let me take you guys straight to my screen and let's see how it goes. Let's go. You can actually see my screen right about now. Let me just take it very fast to what we did on that. That should be Friday. It was on Thursday. This was the trade on Thursday. This was the live I had with all of you on Thursday. This was it. This was it. Yeah, this was it on Thursday. So when the market actually opened, I was live with you guys on Thursday. This was the trade. The market actually was around here. It was around here. It was ranging here. So I mark out this zone and I mark out here. And we're expecting the market to react here, but this is our golden zone. This is our golden zone that we expected to come to. That was on Thursday when I was live with you. You guys can watch it on my YouTube, So when the market got here, the market broke out from this place and went down straight. We were waiting for the market to come here and react. So there was a massive spike to the downside, and then it almost touched a psychological level. This one you're seeing on my screen, but just remain about 2 to 3 pips. The market could not touch it. So we were waiting for another candle to open and come down and give us a proper entry inside this box. But that didn't happen. Then the market decided to go up. So this red line that you're seeing, it's a very strong zone, was holding the market. This place was holding the market. But eventually there was a momentum that came up and broke out from here. When it broke out, when it broke out of this zone, and mind you, this is also our area of concentration and this area. So when this place got broken, another candle opened above here. The candle wanted to come down but melted here and went back up. So when the candle melted and went back up, we were waiting for another candle to actually open. We were waiting for another candle to open. When another candle opened and broke out from this eye and broke this eye, this was when I called the buy. I said, okay, guys, let's enter a buy trade with one leg. Me, I was already on a trade here, one leg here. When this one dropped down, I was on another. If you check out the screenshot that we attached, you will see I have a total of four legs on my trade. Yeah, I have posted it on my Telegram as well. So people that took the trade, so we were able to take the buy, our normal buy on YouTube from here. And this was our take profit level. And look at what happened. When the market was going, I added another one here, making 4. So it broke out from here. Why am I shaking this? It broke out from here, and what happened? The market kept going. When it got here, this was where we ended the YouTube, because we spent about 54 or 57 minutes. So this was where we ended it, and I told you guys to break even. I was following them up on my Telegram. You can check it out on my Telegram, and if you're not there, it's just free to join. Click on the link on the description and join my Telegram. It's free for you guys to join. It's free of charge. Join the Telegram. Click on this icon of this video and make sure you drop a comment if you're watching this. So the market broke out and went up, and then went up and hit our take profit level. And what? That was our take profit level. So on YouTube, we ended up by booking how many pips? This was it. Let's even say 153 pips. Let's say 150 pips, guys. So you guys can see I've shown you live on YouTube how we do it. I showed you guys live in your presence how we do it, and we took this trade together. So in case you miss out from this, and because of the bad network that I had, if not, I don't do this. It's only meant for my mentees, which I do it with them every Tuesday. I do it with all my mentees every Tuesday. So, but because of the bad network and what happened on Thursday, the network, the sound and all that, I'll be doing another one with all of you on Tuesday on this coming Tuesday, I'll be live on YouTube with you guys. So make sure you subscribe and watch out for that. So what you guys should be expecting from the market, and so I was able to book, we're able to book 153, and the one I took from here down to this point, I was able to book 200 pips. The one I took from here down to here, that's 200 pips. All right, guys. So without wasting time, what you guys should be expecting from the market next, let me just quickly show you guys. Let's go straight to the monthly. I'll be looking at which one to use. This is massive, guys. Okay, let's use this chart. Let's use this. Let's delete everything we have here. This is monthly, guys. This is monthly. And what happened on Friday, you can see the sharp drop that happened on Friday. It was as a result of what's going on between the Israel and Iran. That's the problem. You know, that was why we see a massive drop that happened. And on the monthly, if you come to the monthly, you will see that we have a bullish, the market was bullish here, and unfortunately, there was a drop, you know. So meaning, if you check out this area, let me mark it out for you. You will see that we have a major key level here. This is monthly, mind you. And this place, we have another key level here. We have another key level here, this place, which is also here. So this is a major key level. On my monthly, I'm done. Let me just go straight to, because I'm having class with my mentees in the next 1 hour. I mean, in the next 1 hour, 20 minutes. Yeah. Next 1 hour, 20 minutes, I'll be having class with my mentees. So I need to be a bit fast, please, because I want to upload this video before I start. So let me just have this trend line here. Let me have this trend line here. So this is weekly. Let's take it down to the daily, and then let's take it down to the daily. This video is 2-in-1 actually. The weekly outlook, and then oh, okay. From the daily, I can see something like this. This is a key level. This is a key level, and then we can actually have a trend line here. We can actually have a trend line here. Let me just make it about 2. Yeah, let me make it 2, and let's go straight to the last part, which is our 4 hours, where we're gonna be dropping it for today. So this is the last part of it, where we're gonna be dropping it. So if you observe the market, you will see that we've been having some fake outs recently. This is a fake out. We can call this place a minor key level. Yeah, this is a minor key level. The market actually broke out from here. The market broke out from here this week. You see, guys, this is a major breakout from this place. It broke out from these 4 hours and then came down straight massively. So what I'll be expecting is pretty simple, you guys. It's very simple. We have the first touch, second touch, and we have a third touch on the trend line here. Now, I'm seeing 2 things here. This is a third touch on the trend line here. This is a major key level. This is a major key level. If we use our Fibonacci, let's use our Fibonacci and see what we have. Our Fibonacci, if you look at our Fibonacci, we are on 50% Fib level right now. From here to top, we are on 50% Fib level. Am I on the top? Yeah, am I at the top? Yeah. So we are on 50% Fib level. So that is to say, if the market should break out from there, it's coming here. That will be our next take profit target. So what I'm seeing on this market now is, when the market open, I'm expecting reaction from where the market is right about now. Except the only thing that can make this market to drop further is if the issue between Israel and Iran should continue. If that should continue, just know that the market is going to drop further and come down here and even drop down here. But if that should stop, then I'm expecting the market to react from here, something like this, and then go back up or take us further. This is the high. If the market should break here, take us further to this point. Take us further to this point. So that would be our expectation, our first expectation from the market, you know. But if the issue between Israel should continue, Israel and Iraq should continue, then we should be having a breakout from here. If we have a breakout here, just look for a retracement and take it down to here or even further to this level. This is what you guys should be expecting from the market this coming week. But don't worry, I'll be live with you guys on Tuesday. But before then, expect this from the market. All right, guys. So this is yeah. So all right, guys. So this is what I've got to share with you guys. I'll be having class with my mentees in another 10 minutes. So let me just not make it too long till I come your way again. Jason, okay? If you watch this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, click on the like button, and drop your comment. Till I come your way again. So much, Jason, okay? Sign out. Peace. Bye for now.